Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and today I'm very excited because I'm gonna be showing you an unboxing of an iPad mini. And we got this iPad for my daughter's birthday because we want her to have a device dedicated to school and for learning purposes. So stay tuned for the future videos because I'm gonna be showing you what are the best apps and the best settings that you can do for an electronic device that will be assigned to your kids. With not further ado, let's start. The iPad, it's really beautiful. The colors are really great on the iPad pink. The size is really manageable. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.